this video, I will share some information about uses, sources and deficiency of vitamin D. I highly recommend you to watch this video till end. Rickets is a dangerous disease which causes pain in the bones of arms and legs, cavities in teeth, muscle pains and also delayed tooth formation. Rickets is the disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. According to a survey, around 1 billion people on this world have vitamin D deficiency. Now, let's know about the uses and sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D makes our bones and teeth healthy. It increases our immune system and also increases the function of the lungs. Vitamin D has many other benefits like increasing our memory and increasing our heart's health. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Fat-soluble vitamins will not be lost when the foods that contain them are cooked. Also, fat-soluble vitamins can be stored in the body if it is not used by our body. Now let's know in what way we can get vitamin D. As we know, sun helps us a lot to get vitamin D. When our skin is exposed to sun, the skin absorbs the sunlight into our body. Then the sunlight reacts with the cholesterol in our body to produce vitamin D. Another thing is that vitamin D is only produced if the sunlight that reaches our body contains UVB rays, or also called Ultraviolet B rays. Now let us discuss at which time we get more benefits from sunlight. From 6 am to 9 am, the sunlight contains less UVB rays, so more vitamin D is not produced, but it has some benefits like sweating and increasing the immunity. From 10 am to 3 pm, the sunlight contains more UVB rays, so we get more vitamin D even though we spend less time outside. Another thing we need to be aware of while getting sunlight is our body's skin color. Absorption of sunlight depends on our skin color. Light skin color people need not to spend a lot of time to get sufficient amount of vitamin D. But dark skin color people should spend more time outside than light skin color people for sufficient amount of vitamin D. You may get the question why this happens. I will answer your question. This happens because of melanin. Melanin decides our skin color. Less melanin in our skin results in light color skin. More melanin in our skin results in dark color skin. Melanin saves our skin against damage from excess sunlight. Melanin acts as a natural sunscreen. It absorbs UV rays from the sun to protect our skin against sunburn. Sunlight absorbed by melanin is not used to make vitamin D by our body. Dark skin color people will get more protection from excess sunlight. But light skin color people will get less protection from excess sunlight and eventually excess sunlight enters into their body. So that's the reason dark skin color people should spend more time outside for sufficient amount of vitamin D than light skin color people. Now let's know what prevents UVB rays entering our body. Number 1. Sunscreen. Applying sunscreen to our body prevents UVB rays entering into our body. Number 2. Windows. UVB rays from sunlight can't pass through windows or glasses. So you can't produce vitamin D in your body from sunrays passing through a window. Now let's talk about some foods which contain vitamin D. Foods like mushrooms, cheese, orange, egg yolks and cow's milk contain vitamin D. That's all about vitamin D. Please subscribe and share this useful video. Thanks for watching.